Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Jared Cooney Horvath, and I'm really excited to get a chance to meet and learn with you all at this year's Griffiths Celebrating Learning and Teaching Week. Now, to get a sense of what we're going to explore during the keynote session, I want to play a quick game with you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the words of a poem up on this screen, while at the same time playing the audio of me reading a different poem. Your job is to read and understand the poem on the screen while listening to and understanding the poem I'm reading simultaneously. Let's see what happens. Here we go.
His pursed lips would seep angelic smoke, and I would inhale it like it was second-hand death. Both of us speak like poetry books, and scar each other's tongues with limerick, with charcoal, with significance.
I'm guessing that was trickier than you thought. And this is the kind of stuff I want to explore with you during our keynote session. By pooling neuroscience, behavioral, and educational research, I want to see if we can pull out some nuggets, some science of learning principles we can use to help better deliver, design, and send across our message to our students in a way that truly resonates and sticks with them, in a way they can learn from. So I hope you're all well. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I can't wait to dive further into the science of learning stuff with you. I'll see ya. Bye, guys.